Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about told him it was Minute Maid lemonade. Doordash customer says Wendy's ran out of strawberry lemonade. They gave her something green instead. Look, I'm not the brightest knife in the crayon box, but I have had Minute Maid lemonade. I have enjoyed Minute Maid lemonade, but at no period of time has any strawberry lemonade, which is more of a pinkish or a yellowish color, is ever going to turn green. I'm pretty sure there is something wrong with the lemonade at that point. And this customer is exposing the Wendy's or the Doordash driver for it. I don't know what direction it's going to take, but certainly not the driver's fault. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Food delivery has become incredibly common in recent years. According to a study conducted by DoorDash, published in August, 70% of diners in the United States have reported ordering food to be delivered within the past month. Considering August is easily the slowest month of the year for food delivery, I have a lot of questions about that study. I think I'll go over that in a different video. Either way, just because people are ordering doesn't mean people are tipping, and that doesn't mean that it's good for drivers. So careful when you hear things like that. Part of the reason customers enjoy ordering food via these apps is the ease of the ordering experience. However, when a problem emerges, resolving it can be fairly difficult. For example, one user claimed he was given a discount coupon on UberEats only to receive a mysterious charge from the company later on. The charge took several days and a viral video to resolve. Another documented an exchange with the customer service after being offered $17 refund for a $30 order she never received. Okay, regardless of whatever app we're talking about, whether it be UberEats, DoorDash, or otherwise, none of them have quality support teams. In a lot of cases, they go outsourced to a couple of VAs in the Philippines or a bunch of them in the Philippines, and that's kind of how it goes. Either way, that's what typically ends up happening. That doesn't say a lot for the order itself, though. Now, a user on TikTok has sparked a discussion with a particular issue. In short, why did her Wendy's order come with a bright green drink? What did this DoorDash customer receive? In a video with over 297,000 views, TikTok user Jen Hamilton @JenHamilton, who claims that she orders DoorDash too much, recounts a bizarre experience that she had while ordering from Wendy's. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject.
Oh, she just said they have Minute Maid lemonade. Because I ordered like a strawberry lemonade. And I said, that's okay, sir. Then he says, it's green, but she says it's lemonade. I said, I appreciate the inspection. Sounds sus. I wanted to let you know I'll be there soon. Thanks.
I don't know a whole lot about the lemonade creation process, but I would absolutely not see how a lemonade order can be green. I'm sorry, I just can't.
Let me show you what they gave this man and told him that it was Minute Maid lemonade. What is this? Wendy, what is this? I'm not stupid. This is antifreeze, okay?
Jesus Christ, who did you piss off at Wendy's? I'm trying to imagine how this would end up taking place. Like, at what period of time does Wendy's create antifreeze? Like, what happened there? I can imagine the Coca-Cola Freestyle machine creating some sort of lime flavored something, and I can absolutely see that being the case, but that's not Minute Maid lemonade. I refuse. I refuse.
A moment of truth. I want to taste it. Tell you what. That does not smell like lemonade. I do not know what that is. It has a vague citrusy flavor, but I don't trust that.
Which, how could you? You were told it was lemonade from Minute Maid. not whatever this was. It seems more like somebody was trying to pull some shady shit at Wendy's. Does Wendy's serve green lemonade? According to the Wendy's website, the chain serves 4 kinds of lemonade: all natural lemonade, strawberry lemonade, pineapple mango lemonade, and blueberry pomegranate lemonade. While these lemonades vary in color, none of them have the shade of green as shown by Hamilton in the video. Those are Wendy's lemonades, though. That is behind the counter in their own back counter thing, not in a freestyle Coca-Cola machine with Minute Maid products. Hamilton states that she was told the lemonade was manufactured by Minute Maid from products produced by Minute Maid. The only items that would appear to match the color are the company's kiwi strawberry drink and its limeade. Okay, but I'm also starting to wonder if there is some sort of limeade in there, and instead of explaining it to the customer, they just decided to throw whatever at them because it's not gonna end up on them anyway. It's gonna end up on the driver. It's gonna end up on DoorDash. So they could produce poor quality product, and who's gonna get the heat for it? The idiot driver. That said, it could be Aguas Frescas lemonade that is available in Coke Freestyle machines. Limonada is not the same as lemonade, as limonada primarily uses limes to create its flavor. Now, this was a text conversation that she was referring to, but I can also imagine there being a thick accent involved in translation, so he just decided to give him whatever. So when explaining this, the driver ended up either hearing the wrong thing from somebody with a thick accent or misunderstanding what is being told to them. Commenters offer their thoughts. In the comment section, some users suggested the limonada theory. I accidentally got this at Wendy's the other day too. It's Minute Maid Aguas Frescas Limonada, aka toxic juice, said a user. It doesn't taste like lemonade and it did not give me any superpowers. Wait a minute, how did we get toxic juice from Aguas Frescas Limonada? Like, is it just because of the color? Like, I can imagine it's just because of the color and someone is just very fluent in sarcasm. Like, what superpower could you possibly get from it? Being the Joker? Others wondered if there was a specific promotion going on which they were not aware of. Maybe green for Halloween, mused a commenter. It could be part of their SpongeBob thing they have going right now, but I still wouldn't trust it, stated another. It does not appear to be part of the SpongeBob promotion. I would cancel SpongeBob if that was the case. Look, I understand quality marketing is a cool idea with the whole Krabby Patty thing. Fine, even though it's absolute garbage according to most people. But honestly, what could you say to this to where, hey, this is why our lemonade is green? Is it kelp cola or some shit? Can you guys tell how much SpongeBob I've never actually watched? Is it that bad? I just asked/showed this to my daughter who works at Wendy's, and she said, I have no idea what that is. We don't sell anything like that. Stay at a third. Like I said, I could imagine this being part of the Coca-Cola freestyle machine, but don't tell somebody it's Minute Maid lemonade if it's not Minute Maid lemonade. That's just lying. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. There is less than no way that this could have possibly been on the driver. Thank God. I would just like to know what exactly was going through the mind of the Wendy's worker when they thought,
oh, just tell them this green liquid is lemonade. I'm sure they'll believe you.
The only thing I believe is that there is a tumor somewhere in your mind. Holy crap. Now, that also said, I'm very intrigued on how the Daily Dot decided to make a point about having challenges with food delivery orders and then mentioning 2 orders that have nothing to do with the problem at hand. Because these are customer support challenges. This is Wendy's specifically. DoorDash just happened to be the middle guy. And he was stuck there. He was stuck being the weirdo here. But it just goes to show we would end up being the fall guys in that case. Like, literally the media is trying to make it sound like it's the fault of DoorDash when it's the fault of Wendy's. Either way, don't drink things if you don't trust it, and don't lie to customers on what is in their cups. That's just ridiculous. But you know what is the god-honest honest truth that the Driven Wyld Discord community has a lot of value to add. The Driven Wyld exclusive Discord community is for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journeys. I partnered with Jeffrey Lago, the founder of Food Fetch, to bring you the most exclusive benefits based on your personal needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings. More live streams with high-level professionals in our industry. An educational system to help you build your dispatch company and scalable opportunities. Whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or looking for an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, we can help you on every step of your journey. Check the link in the description and sign up and get started with making the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.